Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the washer. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. Next, separating clothes. Make sure that your clothing is in loose heaps around the drum for best results. Load washer with articles of different sizes to allow circulation in the water. Do not overload the washer basket. High efficiency or HE laundry detergent is specifically formulated for high efficiency washing machines, allowing you to reach an optimal cleansing in low water levels and a shorter cycle. Loading detergent. Use an HE detergent like Swash. Agitator versus impeller. Agitator is a tall spindle in the center of the basket that twists. This rubs against clothes to loosen soil and clean. An impeller motion moves items through the water, using the movement of clothes against each other to clean them. Selecting the setting and cycle times. Normal cycle uses warm water with high spin speed for moderately soiled cottons, linens, and other mixed fabrics, and cycle time is between 50 minutes to an hour. Light or delicate cycle uses high levels of cold water and a low spin speed for carefully tending to undergarments and delicate fabrics, and cycle time is from 45 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes. The bulky item cycle uses warm water and a low spin speed to care for sheets, blankets, and other bulky items, and cycle time is from 50 minutes to 2 hours. Starting the washer. Press the power button to turn the washer on. Select the cycle. Touch the Start/Pause button for 3 seconds to start the cycle. Use a fresh once a month for basic maintenance to clean and protect your washer. It helps prevent detergent and fabric softener residue from building up. Always remove clothing from the washer before using afresh.